How to use the live translate in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open phone app, click on three dots, more option, click on settings, click on live translate. Here you will see language, voice, mute my voice, language, voice, mute other person voice, language and voice for each person, live translate in other apps. Now turn on this button. After turning on this button, click on language, select language that you want. After selecting language, click on voice, select voice 1, voice 2, select voice 1, speech rate, set speech rate, go back, turn on mute my voice. Now click on live translate in other apps. Now here you will see apps. Select app that you want to live translate, enable or disable. Now turn on this button or turn on this button. This is how you can use the live translate in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.